Perfect. So my first question is, where do you see the video games industry heading in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, I think it's a really sort of interesting moment in terms of where video games are at the moment, and in the next 5 to 10 years there's going to be definitely a trend towards more games as a service. I think that's going to mean there is a smaller number of higher quality AAA titles, but they're going to be supported for longer, and there's going to be continuous content. We've already seen that occurring. And then at the other end of the spectrum, the access to market for smaller indie games is much better than it's ever been, and will only continue to be much more accessible. So I think that's also going to drive a lot of creativity and eventually finding its way into some of those AAA titles.
Perfect. Do you want me to ask again?
Yeah.
Perfect. How do you feel Pull to Win can help companies adapt and improve overall game quality?
Well, I think Pull to Win is very well placed globally. There's a great reach and a wide spread of services, and is also very involved with the new technology and where our services need to be to match the progress of the games industry in terms of automation of testing, automation of translating. All of that needs to change very quickly as the technology from our clients is changing. So on that front, Pull to Win is very well placed on every region, and with wide teams, very large number of people that are all very technically au fait of what's going on in the industry.
Perfect. Fourth question. So you've been partnering with us since its inception 7 years ago. Why is the Game Quality Forum such an important platform for you?
Well, for Pull to Win, the Game Quality Forum represents the right balance between those large trade shows and the more intimate peer-to-peer events. Is the right balance, with a sizable crowd, but remains a friendly, accessible place. So you're not overwhelmed with requests. You can really take the time to talk to your clients, your current clients, new clients, and colleagues within the same field.
So, lastly, what are your main takeaways from the event?
I think
this year?
key takeaways from the event this year is a lot of talks have touched upon automation. Games are getting bigger. The release windows are becoming tighter, and the teams that support those games and get them out the door are having to do their work much faster. So automation has touched upon many of the talks today. So that's definitely a key takeaway. And the other is access to markets. People are looking to China. People are looking to markets where they haven't actually had much exposure in the past. And obviously, there's been a lot of talk about this at this event.